Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to install Google Gemini as an app on your Windows laptop or machine. First, you have to open Chrome, then go to the gemini.google.com. I'm going to leave this link on the YouTube description below. Then click here and then go to Cost, Save and Share. From there, you'll see a couple of options. Click here, Install Page as App. Once you click it, you'll be presented with this pop-up. Click Install. It will take some time, but it will be installed as an app. You'll be able to see it here. You can just right click and pin it to the taskbar for easy access. You can also see it here on the desktop here. This is how you install Google Gemini on Windows as an app. If you want to delete it, just click on the search, write uninstall, click here, and then search apps Gemini. Click here, and if you click uninstall, it will prompt you with uninstall. Just click it here and you'll be able to uninstall it. So this is how you install Gemini as an app and also uninstall from your laptop on Windows.